every pause a test. The mamba lunges with blinding speed, a ribbon of lethal muscle shaped by open savannas and tight burrows alike, capable of striking and withdrawing in the same breath. Relying on endurance, aggression, and an unusually high tolerance for pain, the mamba answers with reach and restraint. They advance, retreat, circle, feint. Two predators built for different wars, neither willing to commit too soon. Venom does not need victory in seconds. It only needs patience. It works in silence, traveling along nerves, loosening muscle from command. Every heartbeat becomes an ally. Every moment a quiet countdown. The badger presses anyway, driven by a metabolism that favors persistence, refusing to yield ground even as his body begins to betray him. The earth tilts. Sounds stretch and warp. He sways, snapping at threats that may or may not exist. A mammal fighting both an opponent and his own unraveling senses. A sudden, violent burst of clarity. He snaps forward, his jaws locking onto the mamba's head with a sickening crunch. A brutal shake to ensure the light has left the serpent's eyes. The mamba falls limp. The threat is neutralized. But there are no true victors in this dust. The badger's body begins to revolt as the toxin reaches its zenith. Violent seizures rack his frame, a storm of electrical failure. Muscle tremors progress into the cold grip of full paralysis. Consciousness fades into the golden grass. It forces a few steps, then pitches forward, unable to recover balance. Even animals with partial venom resistance can be overwhelmed by a large dose. It attempts a short run, but the stride breaks into stumble,